Hi, Brightopia kids. Are you ready to learn animal names with me today? Yay! Let's go! Say their names with me, nice and loud. Wow, kids, look here. Which animal is this? Roar. It's a lion. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Here comes a big cat. Which animal is this? Yes, tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. Look at the long trunk. Which animal is this? Yes, elephant. Can you say elephant? Elephant. Wow, such a long neck. Do you know this one? That's right, giraffe. Say it with me. Giraffe. Black and white stripes. Ooh, which animal is this? Zebra. Let's say zebra together. Zebra. Hop, hop, hop. Which animal is this? Kangaroo. Can you jump like a kangaroo? Boing, boing. Oh, so cute and cuddly. Which animal is this? Panda. Say it slowly with me. Panda. A big, strong one. Roar. Which animal is this? Bear. Can you growl like a bear? Growl.
Swing, swing, swinging in the trees. Which animal is this? Monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Say monkey with me. Look how strong. Thump, thump. Which animal is this? Gorilla. Beat your chest like a gorilla. Boom, boom, boom. I'm black and white. I look like a horse, but I'm not. Who am I? Yes, a zebra. Shh. Look, kids, a quiet one in the forest. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a deer. Can you say deer? Nice and soft, like this. Deer. Oh, wow, look at the hump on its back. Which animal is this? That's right, camel. Say it with me, camel. Munch, munch, camels love to chew. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a horse. Neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. I hop around at night and say, ribbit, ribbit. Who am I? That's right, a frog. Big and gentle. Which animal is this? Moo moo. Yes, it's a cow. Can you say it with me? Cow. Moo moo cow. Ooh, fluffy and white. Which animal is this? I suppose it's a sheep. Say Baba sheep with me. Baba. Look, it's climbing up the hill. Which animal is this? Goat. Say it with me. Ma, ma, goat. Ma. Listen carefully. Rawr. Which animal makes that sound? Yes, it's the lion. Pink and cute. Which animal is this? Pig. Oink, oink. Can you snort like a pig? Oink, oink, piggy pig. Look, wagging its tail. Which animal is this? Yes, dog. Woof, woof. Say it with me. Dog. Woof, woof. Soft and cuddly. Which animal is this? Cat. Meow, meow. Can you say it like that? Meow, cat. Hop, hop, hop. Which animal is this? Rabbit. Say bunny rabbit with me. Hop, hop, bunny rabbit. Wow, look at those big antlers. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a moose. Say it with me. Moose. Moo, moose. Look, hugging the tree so tight, which animal is this? Koala. Say it with me. Koala, the sleepy bear. Wow, such a big mouth. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a hippopotamus. That's long to say. Try with me. Hip-pa-pa-ta-miss. Wow, this animal has the longest neck in the world. Which animal is this? Yes, a giraffe. And did you know giraffes sleep standing up? Look at the big horn on its nose. Which animal is this? Yes, rhinoceros. Say it slowly with me. Rhinoceros. Snap, snap, with a long tail. Which animal is this? Crocodile. Snap, snap, crocodile. Ooh, this one looks like a crocodile, but it's not. Which animal is this? Alligator. Can you say it? Alligator. Hoo, which animal is this? Yes, it's an owl. Say it with me. Owl. Hoo. Colorful feathers, and it can talk. Which animal is this? Parrot. Say it with me. Parrot. Hello, hello. Waddle, waddle on the ice. Which animal is this? Yes, a penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. Wobble, wobble. Jumping high in the ocean. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a dolphin. Say it with me. Dolphin. E-E, dolphin. I'm orange with black stripes. I roar in the jungle. Who could I be? That's right, a tiger. Wow, the giant of the ocean. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a whale. Say it with me. Whale. Whoosh, whale. Uh-oh, sharp teeth in the water. Which animal is this? Yes, shark. Say it with me. Shark. Done, shark. Look at all those wiggly arms. Which animal is this? Octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. Wiggle, wiggle, octopus. Shaped like a star in the sea. Which animal is this? Yes, starfish. Say it with me. Starfish. Twinkle, starfish. Clap, clap, sliding on the ice. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a seal. Say it with me. Seal. Clap, clap, seal. those long tusks? Which animal is this? Walrus. Say it with me. Walrus. Hoo-hoo, walrus. Wow, beautiful feathers spreading wide. Which animal is this? Peacock. Say it with me. Peacock. Ta-da, peacock. Graceful and white, gliding on the lake. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a swan. Say it with me. Swan. Honk, honk, swan. Standing tall on one leg. Which animal is this? Flamingo. Say it with me. Flamingo. Pink flamingo. I live in cold places. I waddle when I walk, and I can't fly, but I swim really well. Who am I? Yes, a penguin. Flying high in the sky. Which animal is this? Yes, an eagle. Say it with me. Eagle. Swoosh, eagle. Wow, it changes its colors. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a chameleon. Say it with me. Chameleon. Peekaboo chameleon. Look at it crawling on the wall. Which animal is this? Yes, lizard. Say it with me. Lizard. Lizard. Slithering on the ground. Which animal is this? Snake. Say it with me. Snake. Snake. Slow and steady wins the race. Which animal is this? Yes, turtle. Say it with me. Turtle. Slow turtle. Ribbit, ribbit, hopping around. Which animal is this? Frog. Say it with me. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit, frog. Click, click with tiny claws. Which animal is this? Crab. Say it with me. Crab. Click, click, crab. Flying with colorful wings. Which animal is this? Yes, butterfly. Say it with me. Butterfly. Flap, flap, butterfly. Buzzing around the flowers. Which animal is this? Bee. Say it with me. Bee. Buzz, buzz, bee. Tiny and marching in a line. Which animal is this? Ant. Say it with me. Ant. March, march, little ant. Spinning a web so fine. Which animal is this? Spider. Say it with me. Spider. Creepy, crawly spider. Yay! You did it, friends! You guessed so many animals today. Panda, frog, butterfly, elephant, penguin. Don't forget to tap on another fun video right here and keep learning with us on Brightopia TV. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new adventure. Psst, which animal was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. See you next time, little explorers. Bye!